little artists. Today we draw some beautiful flowers. Flowers are nature's way of painting the earth with rainbows. Red, yellow, pink, and blue. Flowers come in every color, just for you. Some flowers smell sweet, some look like stars, and some even dance in the breeze. Did you know sunflowers always face the sun like happy little kids? Flowers are like crayons in the garden, coloring the world with joy. Every petal is a tiny splash of magic. Just look and smile. Subscribe for more fun art videos.